My name is MD. I was born in Somalia. My history is history of the journey to the moon, which I mean my last trip from Somalia to Europe, which was really difficult and far away from here. I am the eldest of my siblings. My parents love me very much, and I love them more than anything in this world. I haven't seen them for 7 years. One of my dreams was to get a high education in my country, but unfortunately, because of civil war and famine, I was unable to get it. So one day, I decided to back and leave to seek a for high education elsewhere. I left my home country and I didn't tell anyone where I was going. I decided to go on a long and unknown journey. I didn't know where I was going or how long it was going to take. I was not afraid to know that I could die. I was just following my dream. After a long and difficult journey through the desert and through the sea, I arrived in Europe. To be more specific, I arrived in Italy. Custom agents were taking everyone's fingerprints. At that time, I didn't know why they were taking fingerprints. So I let them take mine, and after that, they set me free and let me go into the city. Then I left Italy to go to Germany. When I got there, I applied for asylum. Right away, I started searching for universities. I got in touch with some teachers, and they informed me that I could not study without high school diploma. Before I left to Somalia, I had my diploma, but it was destroyed by Libyan man while I was crossing the desert. I still wanted to learn, so I started learning the German language. I was very good at German. After 5 years, my asylum was denied and I was sent back to Italy. Life was so hard there. I became homeless after 1 month in Italy. Then I traveled to France and then I applied for asylum. I have been here now for a year. I have decided to learn photography, which was one of my dreams, so I bought a camera. It has now been 7 years since I haven't seen my family. In France, it's necessary to have some legal documents, but I don't have yet. It's very important for me to get this legal document, so I can finally get the high education I have always dreamed of. Some people get to live their dream early on, while others risk their lives in order to achieve them.
saaxiibo waan joogune.
waa run de yo telefoonkayga xumaa. waar saaxiibaa lay transferay meel fiican. anaa kula soo hadlayniyo mid baa ila galay oo inaan luuqad fahminay. waa saxay soo waco adiga wate. meel fiican baan iska deganay sida kaloo maxxumee. haye okay. haye.
Bonjour, bienvenue à ce cours de français. À tes souhaits. Je me présente, je m'appelle Antoine.
Bonjour Antoine.
Merci, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Abdul.
Tu t'appelles Abdul. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Mahdi.
Mahdi.
Ouais.
Et
je
toi?
m'appelle Abdaki.
Abdaki.
Je m'appelle Rahim.
Rahim. Et Ahmed? Ahmed, il n'est pas là aujourd'hui?
Il est absent.
Il est absent aujourd'hui. Donc on va commencer ce cours. On va voir le verbe être. Le verbe être, c'est je. Je suis, tu es, c'est le verbe être. Très bien, être. Je suis, tu es, il, elle.
Et
Très bien, nous
sont, vous êtes, ils sont.
C'est magnifique. Bien, nous allons nous arrêter là pour aujourd'hui. On se revoit demain pour la suite de ce cours. Au revoir à tous et merci d'être venus. Ok.
Merci.
Au revoir.
Bonne journée.
Au revoir, bonne journée à tous. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Merci.
Au revoir, merci.
Au revoir, professeur. Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. Oui, entrez. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Vous venez pour le cours?
Ah oui.
Ah mais le cours est terminé là maintenant.
Ah, fini?
Ah oui, c'est fini, c'était à 11 h ce matin.
C'est à 11 h.
Oui,
ça
oui,
faisait-
qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? C'est... Pourquoi vous venez à 12h30? C'est trop tard?
Oui, c'est moi, ça avec un problème pour ça dans le champ. Ça
Oui.
avec des amis, ça parlait, ça téléphone.
Oui.
Ça moi pas dormir bien.
Ah, vous n'avez pas réussi à dormir à
Oui.
cause de vos amis qui
Oui.
faisaient du bruit et tout ça?
Oui, c'est ça.
D'accord, dans la chambre.
Oui.
Bon, écoutez, c'est pas grave, hein, de toute façon, il y a cours tous les jours, donc revenez demain.
Oui, ok. Donc,
Ok, à 11h.
Demain, 11h.
J'espère que vous allez mieux dormir. Hein.
Oui.
Et puis à demain donc.
Donc,
D'accord.
voilà. Ok,
Bon, merci d'être venu en tout cas.
Ok, merci.
Et puis à demain.
Donc, demain.
Ok.
À tout à l'heure.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.
كيف
زين
الحال؟
كيف اخبارك؟ تمام. اخبارك شنو؟
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله.
خير والله.
كيف الامور؟
أنا جديد في السكن ويعني سكن تمام ما عندي مشكلة في السكن.
أوكي.
وأنت كيف؟
انا تمام الحمد لله. ودي هسي كان عندي مشكله مع الصومالي، كان جابوا لي وبيتكلم بصوت عالي ما بخليني بنوم وليه ساعدني.
يا هو الصوماليين أصلا كده، لكن أنت شنو تصبر بس. يعني أنا كنت عندي نفس المشكلة، كان معي واحد برضه جديد في السكن وبالليل يتكلم كتير ويعني لكن أنا صبرت عليه، يعني ما قاعد أتكلم معاه. وهو نزل المدرسة هسي يعني مشى بدأ يتعلم فرنسي صعب، بدأ يتعلم فرنسي وأنا برضه بدأت نتعلم فرنسي. يعني الآن ما في إزعاج بالليل، وأنت برضه مفترض شنو تصبر، وهو تمشي المدرسة وهو يمشي المدرسة ما يعمل إزعاج بالليل.
تمام والله ما ضروري انه لازم واحد يخش في المدرسه ويتعلم يتعلم اللغه، واللغه لغه فرنسيه صعبه، لكن ان شاء الله واحد ممكن لازم يفتش المدرسه ويتعلم اللغه ان شاء الله.
لا إن شاء الله سهل إن شاء الله. السلام.
تسلم. السلام.
Bonjour madame. Bonjour.
Merci beaucoup. Ok. Qu'est-ce que vous me conseillez aujourd'hui?
Aujourd'hui,
Les moules?
c'est les moules.
Ok. Ok. Je vais prendre les moules.
Ah, c'est moule?
Les moules.
Ça va, moule?
Et après les lentilles.
Parfait, c'est la moule du boucher.
Voilà.
Qu'est-ce que tu crois?
Bah, de l'eau c'est
Très
très
bien.
Et un petit peu de pain. Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Hello, my friend. Can you speak English?
Yes, I speak little English, yes. Why?
Because I'm new here today in Paris. I don't understand
Yes.
French language is difficult. Can you help me, please?
Sorry, I cannot help you. About what? You need help?
About the house look so.
Okay, I understand. And how long you are here in France?
And today,
You are new.
yeah, I'm new here today. I come here.
Where are you from?
Me from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Okay, I'm sorry, my friend. I cannot help you because me too. I'm a new here in France, Paris. 1 week, yes, less more. 1 week, like 12 days, 1 week half. So me too. I cannot help you. So, but I can tell you idea. I can show you where is people in Afghanistan.
Okay.
More people in your country, and they can help you.
Okay.
I hope so. And you can tell your problem, what you need, and I can show you the train that you can use.
Yes.
So you can go this way
Okay.
with the left,
Okay.
and then just I think a 2-minute walk, and then you see metro. You know metro?
Metro is like train.
Yes, it's like train. Thank
okay.
you. And then you go down,
Okay.
float this one.
Okay.
After 7 stop,
Okay.
you can go out of the train,
Okay.
and then you can see many people from different countries, Afghan, Arab, and African. You see really many people, and then you can speak with these people. They can show you what you need, and you can tell. And I hope you will find a house What is this, my friend? This is broke?
Yeah, it's broke.
Accident.
It's accident.
Take care, my friend. Last month. I wish you better and good luck, my friend.
Thank you, my friend.
Take
Good luck.
care.
Thank you. Bye.
What's your name?
My name is Jamshid.
Jamshid.
Bonjour à tous, s'il vous plaît. Bonjour. J'ai une information importante à vous communiquer. Français, anglais?
Anglais.
Okay, English. So I've got important information to give to you. You're going to be transferred in Paris tomorrow morning at 9. So please be on time. There will be a car who will be here, and so yeah, at 9 o'clock, please be here. And I wish you very good luck in Paris, and hope it will be great for you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
جا ترانسفر میشه. داخل پاریس هم ترانسفر شده. همه کدام منطقه؟
خدا که نزدیک باشه.
یا خدا Excuse me, my friend.
My name is Ali. What's your name?
My name is Jamshid. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I heard we're going to Paris.
Yeah, in Paris.
I never been there. Do you know where is exactly?
And the moon.
And the moon? Oh.
Yes. Are you funny?
Yeah, I'm a little bit surprised, you know. I didn't expect that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
nice
you.
to meet you.
Thank you.
Good luck. Bye.
You too.
Oui, entrez.
Sorry. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Mais qu'est-ce que vous faites là? Vous étiez censé partir ce matin?
Bon, on est allé prendre le bus, mais on a raté le bus.
Ah oui, d'accord.
C'est pour cela qu'on est revenu.
Wow, mais c'était ce matin le transfert. Enfin là, vous avez loupé quoi.
Ah oui.
Bah oui, mais ok. Bon, de toute façon, là c'est trop tard, je peux rien vous proposer.
Non. C'est votre travail.
Là, vous pouvez faire quelque chose.
Non, non, bah non, 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 là, non, non, là,
là.
ben oui, mais vous n'étiez pas là à l'heure ce matin, je suis désolée, je peux rien faire pour vous. Je vais vous tenir au courant, je vais organiser un autre transfert, et quand il y en a un prochain, je vous inscrirai, voilà, vous allez partir avec le prochain. Je suis désolée, mais il fallait être à l'heure ce matin. Je peux rien faire pour vous là. Donc ce qu'on fait, c'est que je vous tiens au courant, et puis ben, vous retournez chez vous, et puis je vous appelle quand il y a un nouveau transfert.
Non, allez, fais quelque chose pour nous. Parce que...
Enfin, vous étiez au courant depuis quand même un certain temps, quoi. Bon. Je peux rien faire de toute façon, là j'ai pas beaucoup de temps à vous accorder, donc on va faire comme j'ai dit, je vous appelle quand il y a un prochain transfert. Il fallait être à l'heure, vous avez loupé le transfert, c'est comme ça. Donc je vous tiens au courant, je vous appellerai.
Ok. Comme il n'y a pas autre solution, on fait comme ça.
Bah non, il n'y a pas d'autre solution. Ok, bon, super. Ben à bientôt alors, je vous tiens au courant.
Ok, merci.
Oh, mon Dieu.
Oui. Bonjour Mohamed, ça va?
Ça va, merci. Et vous?
Oui, bien, merci. Bienvenue.
Oh, c'est Jambi. How are you, Mama? Ça va, oui, I'm fine. And you? Ça va, et vous? And do you learning this?
Okay. Yeah, I learn designing.
Yeah.
So like this.
Yes.
And she's my teacher.
Yes.
So this is mine. So this is mine. And this she's. And
This you
I
did this
know-
one?
Yes, some mistake.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's mistake
You
because
good.
I learn and I don't know this, but I
Wow.
looking
Okay.
and
Let me know where are you now? Where you live?
I live in here in Excellence.
Excellence.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Yes, you got a nice place, really.
Yes, I like this place.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, we love it. Everyone will love it. It's really place, good place,
Yes.
and yeah.
Which?
I'm a little far from here. I'm a little far, yes. And how is your paper?
So
Document?
Document. So I don't have document.
Yes.
But I'm Dublin.
And you go to school? You do school French?
No, because
Why?
Because to now my Dublin is not finished, so I'm Dublin.
Yeah. Okay.
7 months before I speak with you, so
Yeah, you're looking for a house. I remember.
yes. So looking for house,
Yeah.
and now I have house.
Wow,
I
yeah.
leave this place.
Wow. Yes. Good. That's
And
nice.
but my Dublin is not finished.
It's not finished. Yes, but it's okay. Me too. I'm saying like you, but
So my Dublin is from Austria.
Austria.
Yeah, from Austria. So when I stay in Austria, so go back to Afghanistan. So
Afghanistan.
Yes.
They give you back
yes,
in your country.
yes.
And Afghanistan, you have problem. Yes.
Difficult, but
Yes.
I am happy here.
You're happy.
Yes, I'm happy that I like Paris.
We wish you good luck. No.
Yes.
Don't worry, sir. Do your best always.
Yes.
Yeah. Keep going.
Yeah.
Yes.
I hope.
I don't have more time. I want to take the camera and I will do a little photo.
Okay.
So I hope to see you.
Okay.
See you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So see you later. Can you give me your number?
Yes.
Because I call you sometimes.
07 37.
Sorry, bro.
Voilà, c'est bien.
Okay.
89
240. 240. Okay.
Yes,
I
that's
call
me.
you. Okay, Mohammed.
Yes. Yep.
So see you
Safe.
later.
Bye. 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 À bientôt.
À bientôt.
Salut, Joe. Ça va? Ouais.
J'habite ici, je crois que c'est possible de
Ouais. Tu t'appelles comment?
Rahim.
Ok. Toi? Diwan. Enchanté. Mais là, je suis en train de finir une. Tu peux m'aider à la finir. Il faut qu'on perce quelques trous. Et il manque pas grand chose pour la finir. Tu peux taper un petit peu là. Ok. Légèrement là, tape un peu ici. C'est juif. Ouais. Avec. Il est à la. On va percer à travers. Ici. Ok, je vais te guider. I will guide you a bit. Ok. De chaque côté.
Jamshid, did you see my food?
Yes, I eat your food now.
Why?
No, because I'm hungry. I eat this food, but I go don't know.
You don't allow to eat that, you know. I'm hungry. I come from school, so
yeah, but it's no problem. I give you buy for supermarket. It's no problem.
I don't need you to buy it for me. It's not good.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
Right.
Be careful. Don't do it next time because I really don't like it.
I ask you, promise.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Aftum.
My friend.
How are you?
Very fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. And you?
How is life?
Oh, long time.
Yeah, long time.
I'm glad to hear you. How is things? All right?
Yeah, all is right. And you?
Nice. Yes, I'm okay. I'm just okay.
You did everything good?
Yes, not bad. Thank you.
But I tell you, next week, my concert is music.
Next week you have concert?
Yeah.
Wow.
Concert.
That's nice. Oh, wow. Good.
Next week is Friday.
Friday?
Yeah, Friday.
Wow. Good to hear this, really. I am very glad. So, I will come to you
Yeah.
for your consent. Thank you very much. And do you need I bring my camera to shoot some? Wow. Yeah. Okay, my friend, I will be Friday. So it's morning or afternoon?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Friday afternoon. Well, okay, my friend. See you Friday afternoon, and I will call you, and then I will be there with you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you very much. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
أخي آمنة كنصلك له واسيله أيقون الليل كم زيارات حسبي وطر عقلك تسبني سلم انتاي يريك تنسكي تسلكي تزاي سامع خلي كما يقرأك يدفنكي تسلكي تزاي سامع خلي يترطر كي كلي أسر حبيب يدخلني كبزي لقل ليك عفون علي متاي يحشني الرايباني الشيخ باني الرايباني فغري خلينا عيتم خلي الرايباني حاسبي وكيل كم يونيرو وعلقلتنا كم يونيرو وعلقلتنا كيد الظالم صابو محلا كيد الظالم صابو محلا Merci.
I am very glad to be here in Paris, and I go to school and I want to learn French, and I can speak now little. I can say bonjour, comment ça va, comment allez-vous. I hope that our Dublin problems will end for everybody in this new year, so we can all stay in France. Now I want to help young people of my country who want to get a high education. I don't want that they have to risk their lives like I did to get this education. I want to send books to them so they can have a library which they can use for knowledge.